stay positively focused on caring rightly for all others. We all need help today. Stay safe. So I hear that a government is sending trillions of dollars out, but the trillions that they have been sending out has not been matching what they've been taking in. $1 trillion just by itself is a whole lot of money, by the way. Now, if they get any more behind in what they are taking in, then that's really likely going to interfere with a many with their money making then. Some sure might act like today that they don't care about a government, but they sure wants and do care about a government money, don't they? So they better all start caring about it today if they wants they money. So you money makers, money earners had better all pray for a government lest you don't want to make it rain. For a many of them sure do seem to want for the monies they make to seem to want to say that they want to make it rain today too. Take care to all you who are seeming to be as lovers of money today. Matthew chapter 6, verse 24. No man or woman can serve two masters, for either he and her will hate the one and love the other, or else he and her will hold to the one and despise, hate, detest the other. You cannot serve Jehovah, and Mammon, wealth. And now I am also hearing that there are people of different shades of colors, not just one shade of color, that have been crossing over the border illegally now, too. How interesting. Could this all be so? Or is it just all in my head, like Tim McGraw say in that song over and over, that also features Nelly? Cause it's all in my head. I think about it over and over again. And it hurts so bad. Yeah, cause it's all in my head. I think about it over and over again. Over and over again. And I can't take it, yeah. I can't shake it, no.